It is a bird that has traded the sky for the forest floor, adapting to a life that is entirely terrestrial. This shift has influenced every aspect of its existence. This unusual evolution makes the kakapo truly unique and a treasure to behold. Its behaviors, diet, and even its mating rituals are all tailored to a life on the ground. The kakapo's inability to fly has shaped its entire existence. It has developed strong legs for walking and climbing, and its nocturnal habits help it avoid predators. Its body, unlike other parrots, is stout and rounded, designed for a life spent navigating the forest floor, rather than soaring through the skies. Its wings, small and underdeveloped, are more suited for balance than flight. These wings help the kakapo maintain stability as it moves through its forest home. This adaptation to a terrestrial life has led to the other intriguing features. The kakapo has a keen sense of smell, which is unusual for parrots, and it uses this to find food and navigate its environment. Its feathers are soft and mossy green, providing excellent camouflage against the forest floor. The kakapo's story is one of remarkable adaptation and survival, making it a true wonder of the natural world. The kakapo is a creature of the night. This unique bird, native to New Zealand, has adapted to a nocturnal lifestyle, making it one of the most fascinating species in the avian world. When the sun sets, it emerges from its daytime hiding places. The twilight hours mark the beginning of its active period as it ventures out into the cool, dark forest. Under the cover of darkness, it roams the forest floor, searching for food. The kakapo's diet consists mainly of native plants, seeds, fruits, and even the sapwood of trees, which it skillfully extracts with its strong beak. Its large brown eyes, perfectly adapted for low light, guide it through the undergrowth. These eyes are not just for seeing in the dark, they also help the kakapo detect subtle movements and changes in its environment, crucial for avoiding potential threats. This nocturnal behavior is another distinctive feature of the kakapo. Unlike many birds that rely on flight to escape danger, the kakapo has evolved to be a ground dweller, using its nocturnal habits to stay safe. By avoiding the day and its predators, the kakapo found a way to thrive in a land with few natural enemies. During the day it remains hidden, blending seamlessly with its surroundings, and at night it takes advantage of the relative safety to forage and explore. Its plumage, a mossy green, provides excellent camouflage amongst the ferns and foliage. This coloration not only helps it blend in, but also reflects its deep connection to the forest environment, where it has lived for thousands of years. The kakapo's story is one of remarkable adaptation and survival, a testament to the wonders of evolution. The kakapo is not just unusual in its appearance and habits, but also in its personality. This nocturnal, flightless parrot, native to New Zealand, has a set of characteristics that make it stand out in the avian world. It is known for its friendly and curious nature. Unlike many birds that are wary of humans, the kakapo often shows a surprising level of trust and interest. Early encounters with humans often describe the kakapo as fearless and even playful. These birds would approach people without hesitation, sometimes even climbing onto them, displaying a level of interaction that is rare among wild animals. During the breeding season, male kakapos perform elaborate courtship displays. These displays are not just visual but also auditory, involving a series of movements and sounds designed to attract females. They gather in arenas, called leks, and emit booming calls that can travel for kilometers. These leks are communal display grounds where males compete for the attention of females. These calls, deep and resonant, are part of a unique breeding strategy. The booming sound is produced by inflating a special air sac, and it can be heard over long distances, helping females locate potential mates in the dense forest. Sadly, the kakapo's unique adaptations have not protected it from all threats. The arrival of humans in New Zealand brought with them predators like cats, rats, and stoats. These introduced animals decimated the kakapo population. Habitat loss due to deforestation further compounded the problem. By the late 20th century, the kakapo was on the brink of extinction. Only a handful of individuals remained, scattered across a few isolated islands. The plight of the kakapo spurred a remarkable conservation effort. The New Zealand government, along with dedicated scientists and volunteers, launched a desperate bid to save the species. Intensive management programs were implemented. This involved transferring remaining kakapos to predator-free islands. These islands, carefully monitored and protected, provided a safe haven for the birds to breed and raise their young. The kakapo holds a special place in the hearts of New Zealanders. It is a symbol of the country's unique biodiversity and the challenges of conservation. Its image appears on stamps, coins, and even airplanes. The kakapo's story is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Its fate is intertwined with our own. The efforts to save the kakapo are not just about preserving a species, they're about protecting our planet's biodiversity. The story of the kakapo is one of resilience and hope. Despite facing insurmountable odds, this remarkable bird has clung to existence. The dedication of conservationists has given it a fighting chance. The road to recovery is long and arduous. The kakapo's low reproductive rate and the constant threat of introduced predators mean that it remains critically endangered, but with continued conservation efforts, there is hope for its future. The kakapo's survival depends on our actions. By supporting conservation organizations, raising awareness, and advocating for responsible environmental practices, we can all play a part in ensuring its future. The kakapo, a symbol of resilience and the importance of conservation, deserves our attention and protection. Let us work together to ensure that this unique and endearing parrot continues to grace the forests of New Zealand for generations to come.